Next problem, section second here. Section second, find the slope, x-intercepts and y-intercepts of the line 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0 here. Solution, given data. The line given is 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0 here, and we know that equation of the line which is given by y equals to mx plus c. Let me consider equation 1, equation 2. Now we arranging the equation 1 in the form of 2, then we get 5y equals to 3 minus 2x, or we can write 5y equals to minus 2x plus 3, y equals to minus 2x divided by 5 plus 3 by 5, where c this is equation 3. By comparing equation 2 and 3, we can see here c equals to 3 by 5 and m equals to minus 2 by 5. So here I can say slope equals to slope m minus 2 by 5 and y intercepts, that is c equals to 3 by 5 here. So similarly we need to find out x intercepts also. So in this we'll try to find out the x value here. Let y equals to 0. We know that 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0. So here we need to substitute y value equals to 0. 2x plus 5 into 0 minus 3 equals to 0. So 2x plus 0 equal minus 3 equals to 0 here. So we will get 2x equals to 3, or I can say x equals to 3 by 2. So finally we got x intercepts also. So next question, check whether the lines 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0 are parallel or perpendicular to each other. So before that, so in this question we need to be check whether the given lines are parallel with each other or perpendicular with each other. Now let's try to understand parallel lines. So there is a formula or equation, I can say m1 equals to m2 should be equals to 0 here, where in the case of perpendicular m1 into m2 equals to minus 1 should be come here. Now let's try to check 1 by 1. So here m is nothing but tan theta, or I can say m equals to minus b by a, I can say. Now let's try to find out. The given equations are 2x plus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Let me consider equation 1. 3x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Equation 2, I can say. Now here m1 equals to minus 3 by 2, m2 equals to here minus, again minus 2 by 3 here, so which gives 2 by 3, I can say. Now let's try to find out parallel lines. M1 should be equals to M2. Now by comparing, this is 4, 3, this is 4. So by comparing the values of M1 and M2, we can say both the equations are not parallel, as M1 is not equals to M2 here. This is M1 value, this is M2 value here. Both are different here. Now let's try to calculate perpendicular line. It says M1 into M2 equals to minus 1, where M1 value is minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 here. 3 3 get cancelled, 2 2 get cancelled here. So finally we got 1 here. So after simplification, we can say both the equation are perpendicular to each other. Next problem. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 3, minus 3 and inclined at a 45-degree to the positive x-axis here. Now let's try to understand how we are going to be solve the problem. Solution. Here theta value they have mentioned as 45-degree and x1, y1 value they have mentioned 3, minus 3, I can see here. We know that m equals to tan theta, I can say. Now substitute the value of theta here, tan 45. The value of tan 45 is 1, I can say. Now equation of a straight line, which is given by y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, I can say here. Y minus, the y1 value is here minus 3, m value is 1, x minus x1 value is 3 here. Now let's try to simplify here. Y plus 3 minus into minus plus, so here x minus 3. Now let's try to open the brackets and simplify further. So after simplification we'll get y plus 3 equals to x minus 3, I can say. So x minus 3 minus y minus 3 equals to 0 here. So x minus y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is our final equation. Next question. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 1, 4 and parallel to 5x minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0 here. Now let's try to solve the problem here. x1, y1, 1, 4 already which is mentioned in the question, and the equation is 5x minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0. Now first of all we'll try to solve the equation for the we'll try to find out the slope of the line here. For finding out the slope of the line, let me consider equation 1. From equation 1, 5x minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0, that can be written as 7y equals to 2 plus 5x, or I can say y equals to 5x divided by 7 plus 2 by 7 I can say. So from here let me consider equation 2 here. From equation 2 we got slope value here. The slope is 5 by 7 and slope is nothing but here minus a by b I can say. So here I can say slope of parallel line, which is m equals to 5 by 7. Now we know that the equation of the straight line y equals to y1 equals to m into x minus x1 here. Now let's try to substitute all the values in the equation. Y minus 4 equals to 5 by 7 into x minus 1 here. So after simplification we'll get here 7y minus 28, because this 7 will get shifted here. So 7y minus 4 equals to 5x minus 1 here. After simplification we'll get here 5x minus 5. 7y minus 28 equals to 5x minus 5. Now after simplification we'll get the equation here 5x minus 7y plus 23 equals to 0. This is our final equation. Next question here. Using 2 points form of a straight line, find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 2 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 0 here. Now we'll try to find out what is the data given in the question. Given data. So here x1 y1 equals to 2 comma minus 3 already given, x2 y2 equals to 1 comma 0, which is mentioned in the question itself. So here we need to find out the equation of the straight line. We know that the equation of line, which is given by y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 here. Now let's try to substitute all the values here. Y plus 3 equals to 0 plus 3 divided by 1 minus 2 x minus 2 here. Y plus 3 equals to 3 divided by minus 1 x minus 2. So here minus 1 into 1 y plus 3 into x minus 2. After simplification we'll get here minus y minus 3 equals to 3x minus 6 here. So 3x plus y minus 6 minus plus 3 equals to 0 here. So here 3x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. This is our final equation of the straight line here. Next problem here. Find the angle between the lines 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0, x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. So here we need to find out the angle between these two lines here. So here 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0, which is our first equation. I can say x plus y plus 2 equals to 0, second equation. So here we need to find out the value of theta, I can say here. Now let's try to solve the by equation 1. We'll get m1 value here. So here I can say minus 3 by 2 from equation 2. m2 value is here again minus 1 by 1, I can say here. So tan m1 plus m2, which is equals to m1 plus m2 divided by 1 minus m1 into m2 here. Now we can substitute the values here. Minus 3 by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by 2 into minus 1. Now we can take LCM 2 here, minus 3, minus into minus plus, this will be 2 here, whole divided by 1 minus 3 by 2. So we'll get minus 1 by 2 here. So here also 2 minus 3. So finally we'll get minus 1 by 2 whole divided by again minus 1 by 2. So both will get cancelled. So I can say tan m1 m2 equals to 1 here, or I can see this is nothing but theta, I can see. So tan inverse 1 is nothing but 45 degree.